Hello everyone, this is page 39 of Alfred Basic Piano Library Book 1A. This is a song called Mexican Arts Dance. Okay, you can see the hearts dancing here. Basically, we're just going to follow the same C position, and then we just follow where we see half notes, and we hold for 2 beats, quarter note 1 beat, and whole note 4 beats. That's all, and then we'll repeat it. So I'm going to play it now. Position my fingers in the C position, and then play. Two, three, four. I'll do it again. Then here. Three, four. Thank you. Mexican art.